Managing app limits on your iPhone 16 helps you control your daily app usage and maintain a healthy digital balance by setting time restrictions for specific apps or categories. Here's how to configure app limits on the new iPhone. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on screen time. To continue, tap on app limits. Finally, toggle the switch next to it to enable or disable the feature. With app limits enabled, you can start setting restrictions to certain apps by tapping on Add Limit and then select the app categories or individual apps that you want to set time limits. When app limits are enabled on an iPhone, you're restricted from using specific apps or categories of apps beyond a set daily or weekly time limit. When app limits is turned off, no time restrictions will be applied to any apps on your device. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.